Hi guys, this is slide 12, the spinal cord. And right now I have us looking at our lowest magnification. So I just want to show you the overall picture first. So this is the spinal cord. You can see the whole way around there. And I want to first point out the central canal, which I have the pointer on now, and this central gray matter here. There's a slight distinction which you can make out right about here. I'm going to hover the pointer over the distinction between the gray matter, which is on the inside, and the white matter, which is over here on the outside. Okay, so there's almost a butterfly shape, and it takes on dorsal and ventral protrusions. So this here, where I'm drawing the line along now with the pointer, leads to the dorsal root. Okay, so this is where the sensory information is coming in to the spinal cord. All right, and then in the gray matter, you have here all of our cell bodies. If we're going to be in the ventral side, which I'm moving towards here, the ventral side, these are now going to be motor neurons, which are transmitting information. Okay, and the gray matter holds the cell bodies. The white matter, towards the outside of the spinal cord, is where you're going to find a lot of the axons, a lot of the appendages that are coming off of the neuron cell body, okay, that are sending signals out to help communicate to your other parts of your body. Okay, so right now I'm going to zoom in on a portion of the gray matter to enable us to hopefully take a good look at a motor neuron cell body. Okay, so let's zoom in. Okay, and I have us at 100 times total magnification right now, and you can start to see shaping up. There's a nice big neuron. Looks like there's another one here, and several others that we can take a look at. So let's zoom in one more time. And yep, sure enough, we've got a couple good examples. So I'm going to come over here and look at this neuron here, because I can make out a nucleus and a nucleolis. So this is this one is sort of a triangular shaped cell body for the neuron. Okay, and I have the pointer on like one of the angles, one of the edges of that. You can see also there's an appendage coming off of this neuron right here. And that, because we can see some staining, we know that that is a dendrite, whereas it almost looks like there's an appendage that would be coming off here, but it's lacking staining, and that indicates to us that it is the axon because of the absence of Nissl substance, which is picking up that coloration. Okay, so this is our neuron. Let's go see if we can find another good example too, so we can see that nucleus and nucleolis real well. Here's another good example. Okay, so here's another neuron. The pointer right now is on the edge of the nucleus, and that really dark spot in the middle is, of course, the nucleolis. Okay, and this is just another example. You can see a nice dendrite coming off here. Okay, and the smaller cells, which are surrounding the neurons, the large ones are the neurons, these smaller ones are neuroglia. Okay, it's like the one the pointer's on now, as well as the one next to it. Those would both be neuroglia. All right, so that is what we would like you to know for the spinal cord. We'd like you to be able to look at a neuron, recognize how it looks different from neuroglia, as well as identify the gray matter, which is in the center of the spinal cord, and the white matter, which is on the outside. Okay, so that's it for this one.